Hello, Concord Junior High. This is Mr. Rock, and I'm here once again making a video for you. This video is about solving and graphing the solutions of one variable inequalities. Okay, here is our first example. We are being asked to solve this inequality right here. And we are being asked to graph the solutions on a number line like this one right here. Okay, I rewrote the problem. On the left-hand side, there isn't anything to do right now. That side is simplified. But on the right-hand side, we have to use the distributive property. So this much is negative 3n. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 plus 4n. We can combine some like terms on the right-hand side, negative 3n and 4n. That makes 1n. So on the left-hand side, I still have 21 plus 4n. Let's see, I can take away 1n from each side. And I get 21 plus 3n is greater than or equal to 9, minus 21 from both sides. And I get 3n is greater than or equal to negative 12. Divide both sides by 3, and I get n is greater than or equal to negative 4. Now the next thing I need to do is I need to graph this inequality. So what I recommend you do is this. You draw a number line. The number that you see in your final inequality, that should go in the middle of your number line. So for this problem, the number that goes in the middle is negative 4. And that's where you want to put your dot. And this one is going to be filled in. Extra mark here, extra mark, make it dark. What that means is negative 4 is a solution. It's inclusive. So we can draw a couple of other numbers on the number line here. So we have part of a number line. And what I want to do is I want to graph the solutions. The solutions are n is greater than or equal to negative 4. So we want to graph the numbers that are bigger. And the numbers that are bigger than negative 4 are here. So since it's impossible to write down all the solutions because there's an infinite number of them, what we do is we graph the solutions. So your answer is n is greater than or equal to negative 4. Here is our second example. This is just like the first example. We have an inequality to solve, and then we are being asked to graph the solutions. So we can rewrite this inequality here. And you can listen to my kitty cat purr. His name is Simba. He's sitting on my lap. He's very happy right now. Alright, on the left-hand side, like in the last problem, there isn't anything to do. It's already simplified. But on the right-hand side, we have the distributive property. So 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And we have 2 times negative 5, which is negative 10. Alright, so now we have the green light to solve. I think that I will add 10 to both sides. 10a to both sides, that is. And the result is negative 21 plus 13a is less than or equal to negative 8, and then this much here is 0. Add 21 to both sides. I get 13a is less than or equal to 13. Now we want to divide both sides by 13. And I get a is less than or equal to 1. So that's the solution. A is less than or equal to 1. Then the way that you graph this is you draw a number line. The number that you see in your final inequality goes in the middle of your number line. And the number 1 is inclusive. Extra mark, extra mark. Make it dark. And this time I want to graph the numbers that are smaller than 1. So that means I'm going to be graphing over here. All of these numbers are smaller than 1. So those are the solutions. Okay, that's how you solve and graph an inequality. Okay, that's the end of our video. And I hope you learned how to solve and graph one variable inequalities. Good luck with your assignment. Have a good day.